Every year we do research on what the most pressing issues or concerns of RV owners are in the state of Ohio and really around the country. We talk to our own customers first, look for trends or issues, then we go online. We look at, things like Facebook, message boards, etc. to make sure we identify and understand the most pressing issues and what they are in the RV industry. We then set out to remove it from being an issue from that point on for our customers. 2 years ago, we found the number one issue concerning RV owners in Ohio was buying a unit and having it sit, not being able to use it while waiting on repairs to be done. We fixed this issue for all of our Ohio customers by introducing the Ohio Buckeye Service Guarantee in 2018. Simply put, if you buy a travel trailer, fifth wheel, or motorhome from RV Wholesalers and your unit is in need of a repair that will prevent its usage, we'll put you in a replacement coach at no charge, repair your coach with our expedited service at our Ohio location, and get you camping again in no time. You are guaranteed to never be without a camper. So just to recap, the RV Wholesalers Buckeye Service Guarantee gives our Ohio customers free loaner RVs while theirs is being repaired, our amazing 3-day RV exchange, which allows you to bring back and exchange your RV for another stock unit anytime in the first 3 days if you're not thrilled with the one you bought for any reason, expedited service at our Ohio location for your RV should it need serviced, and free delivery of your unit anywhere in Ohio. All RV dealers refused to join us in the state of Ohio in 2018. None have joined in 2019. And I suppose you could probably guess how many have started offering a similar guarantee to their customers in 2020, right? You guessed it, not one. Instead, they've spent their time, efforts, and money since we introduced this product and this service to threaten the manufacturers to make us stop offering it. Simply put, they're not going to offer it. We stand alone and we're proud to do it. We will continue to remove the issues our customers face to make sure you have what you need to be happy when you camp in a travel trailer, fifth wheel, or motorhome from RV Wholesalers. How can you buy from any dealer in Ohio other than us and keep the stress of paying for a camper you cannot camp in? Why would you do that? Only RV Wholesalers.